We have last video discussed IMS Session 7, the create row list in grid view with Ajax database. Now in this video we are going to see about the create the department table, how to create the department master table. So I am going to create the department table for the department master page. So I am going to create the new table in SQL database. So already I have opened the database in IMS DB. So go to the tables and right click on new table. The first column the ID, second name, that is name of the department. So I have giving the department instead of name, department. Data type envarchar 50, and another column designation, description. So another column description. Description I have giving 200 characters. ID, select ID row and set primary key. The next, the column properties under below the identity specification. This identity give yes. This yes means the automatically sequence ID created in department table. So I giving the this identity yes and identity increment to 1. So now I have giving the 3 columns. One is ID, department description. This is need for the department master table. So next I am going to save the table as table department name. Then click OK. Go to table, refresh. Now table is created. Next I am going to create the store procedure for insert department data and fetch the list of data from the department table, and I have creating the user master of page in for department master page. So when I have creating a department master page, we need to store procedure. One is insert update store procedure and another one is the list store procedure, bring the data from the table. So mouse right click on the store procedure, new store procedure. Here insert update department. So now here, if exists a select star from the DBL department where ID equal to ID. That means the coming ID in parameter, this parameter any ID is already existing in the table, that is going to update the data. Otherwise it is going to else part, that is begin insert part. So that is mean the new data stored in the SQL table. So I have update the store procedure. If exists the select star from DBL department where ID equal to coming parameter ID. So parameter ID any ID, for example 1 2 3 or 25, so something is the ID. So update the DBL department and set department parameter department and description where ID equal to parameter ID. That is, then next insert the data. Insert into DBL department and description. Values at department parameter and description parameter. So values at department and description parameter, so totally 2 parameters. That is, so now I have creating the here insert update department. So insert operation and update operation in using single store procedure. This is a easy method. It is a real time approach, this concept. So I have given these examples of real time method I have creating the IT management system project. So now I'm going to execute the store procedure. When click execute, the store procedure should created. Okay, successfully the commands completed successfully. When I go to refresh the store procedure, the new store procedure created here. The 3 parameters ID, department description. Okay. So next I'm going to create the list store procedure. After the data saved in table, then bring the data from all the data department master table. So I'm going to create list of procedures. So here list department. Select row number. Serial number and ID and department description. Now I am going to execute this store procedure. No data. So now I have creating the serial number column. This column really not available in the table, but I have creating the new column serial number using the store procedure because I need the serial number. So I create the serial number based on the ID. So serial number, ID, department description. I execute the store procedure. The commands completed successfully. Then I go into store procedure, refresh. The new store procedure PR list department A is created here. Okay, means now I have completed the DBL department table and DBL department insert update store procedure and PR list department store procedure we have done. Then next I am going to move on the project. So I'm going to change the logo because this is no logo here. So now refresh this page. So copy. I have using my channel logo. If you have using any logo, you can using this project. Now I have creating the new folder IT management system, that is the image folder. For the external image, adding that new folder. So add new folder, image, then paste here the logo, add here, added. Now I have to change the layout. Image dot logo dot jpg. Now I am going to refresh my project. Now logo is changed here, the my channel logo here. Okay, next we are going to create the department master page. This video continue to be next video, the department of master page. So thank you for watching. Any comments, put in the comments box, and like and share your friends, and follow the every video. You can learn full real-time project in IT management system concept. You can easily understand. Any doubt and clarification questions, please send comments or email ID. I will reply your questions and doubts. So thank you for watching.